Hey guys, stick around, because I'm going to be giving this Bitaxe away to one lucky subscriber. I will explain how you can enter the competition later in this video. We are going to populate and solder the component on the top part of the Bitaxe board. Okay, let's go. We are going to tin the legs using the solder iron. Apply a small amount of solder to each pin, then use the soldering iron to tin the legs. Using the wick wire to clean it up, ensuring clean, separate join. Next, we are going to add some solder paste to the ESP port pin on the board. Apply a small even amount and then using the solder iron to tin all the pins. It will be a solid connection when using the hot air gun. And remember, do not use too much paste. Next step of the button, add a small amount of solder paste to the button pads on the board. Carefully place the button in the design position, ensure it's properly aligned. Now, when using the air gun, do not apply heat directly to the center of the button. The plastic will melt and the button will be destroyed. Instead, focus the air on the side. Now we are moving to the CMD fan capacitor. Start by applying a small amount of solder paste to the capacitor pads on the Bitaxe board. Carefully position the capacitor on the board, ensure the polarity is correct, and again, do not use the hot air gun directly on the plastic because it will melt and it will be a little bit messy. Here I'm using the hot gun from the other side of the board, and it's much cleaner and it will secure the capacitor without damaging the plastic. Alright, now for the giveaway instruction. I'm donating this full assembly Bitaxe board to one lucky subscriber. Here is how to enter the competition. First, subscribe to the channel. Second, watch any of my video and leave a comment with two things. What you think I should improve, what you think is already working well. Third, you can comment on as many videos as you like. The more constructive comment you leave, the better your chances. When I hit 2000 subscribers, I will go through all the comments and choose the person who gave the most insightful and helpful feedback. If there are multiple people with the same level of awesome feedback, I will pick the winner randomly from those two comments. So hit that subscribe button, get those comments in, and let's back to the soldering. Now we are going to finish off by securing the ground pin for the USB-C, the fan pin, the power outlet, and the screen pin holder. Now putting the thermal paste on the ASIC chip. Now we have the fan in place, and now we are putting the screen and the 3D designed screen protector in place. And we are done. Thank you for the watching, for the subscription, the likes, and good luck for the competition. It will not be the last one. Thanks again. Bye bye.